So everybody makes it seem like it's so simple, so easy to elevate your money goals, your financial goals. Y'all, it's not. It is not. It is not. It takes lessons learned, time, strength, and dedication to even make that happen. So if y'all want to know the real tea and my top 4 tips in elevating and resetting your financial goals in 2023 and do it on a budget, sis, then make sure you keep watching. Say this, I am not a professional accountant. I am not any of that, so don't take my advice as Bible. This is from lessons learned, okay? As a grown woman, make sure you seek a financial advisor on anything extra that you may need that is going to give you more details in certain parts of your financial goals. Hey guys, my name is RuthNanda, aka Lo. What's good, what's poppin'? So over here we like to take care of everything on a budget and save our coins, sis. So if you are interested in making sure you save your money and do it all on a budget, sis, then make sure you subscribe down below and welcome to the channel, because girl, thanks for stopping through, checking out a video from moi, okay? Period. So let's get into these tips, because I know that's what you're here for. So let's get into these tips. Okay, the first tip is know your debt. Okay, knowing your debt, your past and your present. Definitely go out there and pull your credit reports, okay, and get all that information. Also know what your monthly debt is, or not even debt, your monthly spending is, and get it all together. Like, that's the information you should be gathering up to start the process in resetting or becoming debt free. Just knowing all the information is important. If you don't know that you can pull your credit reports from all 3 bureaus for free, then sis, let me tell you, you can. Okay, don't be getting bamboozled and hoodwinked and paying for them, because they are free. If you want me to do another video on how to get your credit report for free, then let me know. I can do that. Okay, I can let you in on all of that. But making sure you know all your debt, that is super important in the process, because that's the beginning stages of becoming debt free and, you know, resetting and knowing where you stand with your money, period. Okay, y'all, step 2 is budgeting. Like, budgeting. Know all your bills, know when they're due, know, you know what I'm saying, what your grace period is that you have up until to pay before you start getting late fees, and before you start getting interest if you're doing interest free up to a certain time. Know all that information. And when I mean, like, you're going to be your own accountant for yourself, you're going to be your own accountant for yourself, because you gather all that other debt information from your past with your credit and stuff. You now know what you're trying to work towards once you get done budgeting for your month, like your current budget, your current money, how much you're bringing in every month, minus, subtracting, all of that stuff. You're going to be getting all that stuff together. Like, now you're doing, you know what I'm saying, like, you getting down to the nitty gritty, if that makes sense. Like, if you don't understand what I'm saying, you need me to go down into detailed video on budgeting, then let me know, because we like to take care of things on a budget, shop on a budget, you know what I'm saying, the deals, the everything. Yeah, if you need help on budgeting, let me know. I could do a video on that. But definitely do your budgeting. Know the dates, know your times, know what bills get paid every month, what don't get paid every month, and start to break that down. The amount on how much things are every month, break that down so that you know exactly how much money you need to set aside when your monthly income is coming in. You need to subtract that from your monthly income. This is going to help you with your snowball method in taking care of some of the past debt as well. So it's going to make sense. You feel me? It's going to really start making sense. Follow along, okay? Follow along. So let's get into step 3. So step 3 is plan and organize. Literally plan and organizing. For me, that's like check and balance, okay? So now you know how much you're bringing in every month. You know what I mean? You already have everything budgeted out. So now you're going to start doing your math, like subtracting all of these things that you had budgeted out that you're going to need, and subtract it for what's coming in. Whatever is left, That's so, you know what I mean? You catching on, you picking up what I'm putting down. Like, you have to really like plan and organize everything and do all your math. Like, I be in here on the calculator doing my math to make sure that things are going to work out the way I need, and whatever's left over, then it can help me towards my snowball method. So just make sure you're aligning your due dates for your bills and your pay cycles line up. They're in alignment to help you out, to reduce late payments, interest, late fees and interest, as well as you know what is coming in and coming out, so you could be able to pay down the past debt that you probably want to get rid of. Or if you don't, then that's more money for you. You can invest, you can do stocks, whatever you choose to do with your money, but now you know where you level out at, so what you know, what you have extra and what you don't. So I hope this is making sense. Thumbs up this video if you guys find this video interested, you find these tips very helpful, coming like from real deal Holyfield. Like, I'm not no uppity person that has all the coins in the world. I just like to figure out and know where my money lands, so I'm always having a cushion. Sometimes we always fall short. It's never always perfect, but the fact that you're trying to put yourself on something is good. It's better than nothing, and you're just out here haywire and racking up debt and messing up your credit and doing all kind of crazy stuff. So let's move on to the last tip. So for tip 4, the last tip is action. And when I say action, I mean like starting to pay down the debt. Once you've worked and you have that balance left, it's up to you to figure out what you want to do with. Like I said, you can invest in stocks if it's all up to you and you had the leisure of doing that, you have that extra money, you can do that, then that's cool. But if you do have debt that you're trying to get rid of and you got it, put it on that. Like, start to trickle down that. If it's collection stuff, you know, you reach out to them collection people, you work something out and figure it out to make sure you get rid of it off of your credit. And also check how long it's been on your credit, because some of these things, girls, you might not have to pay because it's probably past due an expiration date and it's going to fall off anyway. You know what I mean? So just figure that all out. But this is the time where you will start to snowball and pay things off surely, but you know, slowly but surely, with whatever extra money that you have and you're bringing in and you want to put towards the bills. You get me? So that's how I feel like you're putting in the action after you have done it. You pay your bills, you got your bills on time, you got the this, you got the that, you have now extra money, you still want to get rid of that because you know that will boost your credit score, you know that will come off your credit, that'll help you in the long run, that still be progressing as growing people, as adults, as we should be doing. So you know what I mean? Make it happen, sis. Like, everybody makes mistakes, but finding the time to say, you know what, I'm gonna change no matter what, where I'm at in my situation, I'm gonna try to change. That's then what you're gonna do. You feel me? So I do hope you guys enjoy these tips. Definitely hit the subscribe button down below if you're interested in videos like this. This is my first video talking about finances or anything money related on this channel. I feel like I'm really touchy with it. So woman in my 30s, I've learned these lessons. Of course, like I said, I'm not perfect, but I'm always making sure I strive for better and learning from the lessons that I've, you know, learning from my past. So I hope this is very helpful for anybody out there. But yeah, guys, let me know if you guys want other videos, what other videos you would like me to do. Thumbs up this video. I want to get this video to like 20 likes. I'm starting off slow. Hit the subscribe button if you're interested in taking care of everything in your life on a budget and save your coins, sis. If you would like me to get more detail on how to pull your credit reports for free, let me know. If you want me to go detail in any of these particular tips, because I can break them all down and do some real show and tell for you guys, let me know. I would love to do that for you. So yeah, I'm gonna say it again, hit the subscribe button down below. But yeah, guys, so until next time, kisses from me to you. Bye.